program. Hi Manav, how can we help you today?
Hi, good morning to everyone. So I have a query on ITC Hotels.
Right.
So I'm holding 50 odd shares of ITC Hotels at an average price of 201. So the share is down a little about 190, 192 mark right about after the block deal happened. So just wanted to know will it be a good share to accumulate more since I have a view of more than 2 to 3 years.
Okay, so it's a long-term
Yeah.
picture that you're looking at. So let me go across to Samir for his views. Samir, what's your view? Are you optimistic on ITC Hotels prospects?
Yes, I am. Actually, we had a discussion last evening on your channel where this had come up, and we remain constructive. We think the growth opportunity is very strong. Yes, the stock has corrected a bit from the highs, but what you got to look at is this is now going to be a business that scales up with capital light model where they do a lot of management contracts. That will allow them to grow their return ratios, return on capital and return on equity. We expect the ARRs, that's the average room rate, and occupancies to move up as India consumes more of travel. And that by itself will lead to growth and profitability. And we feel the stock can move up. So please do accumulate it over the next 6 months.
Got that view, Samir, and that's his view on ITC Hotels. The next stock that's in focus is Bank of Maharashtra, and Rajit from Kolkata, he's holding quite a decent quantity of over 27,000 shares of the company at 57.21, asking a short-term view. Kush, good morning and welcome to Ask Profit. What should Arijit do with this with Bank of Maharashtra? Should he continue to hold this position?
Hi, good morning, Puneet. Yes, he should continue holding on to this one. Amongst the pack, Bank of Maharashtra does feature, on our buy list as well. The stock has had a decent run, in this calendar year. Just a decent one. I know not really comparing to what happened with the rest of the PSU pack, but right now it's gone into that consolidation mode. Has a rising trend line support. I think the support for this one comes close to the 54.5 mark. I think you should continue to hold on. What's happening with the market is perhaps keeping the momentum low. If the market participates, if the market decides to turn around, I think Bank of Maharashtra will be one of the beneficiaries of that. And on the higher side, you could look at 59.5 and even 62 as targets from a short-term perspective. So Bank of Maharashtra should continue to hold.
Okay, so that's the view for Bank of Maharashtra, both fundamental and technical view is what we are looking at. But let me go to Manish, who's the next caller joining us. He's calling to us from Kolkata. Hi Manish, how can we help you today?
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
I have Cupid here, Cupid Limited, and I buy 270. The price is 270. I buy from 270, and currently it is I think 393.
Yes,
So
Manish.
should I sell or should I continue buying?
So you want to accumulate more at these levels. You're already making a profit of around 1 lakh, if I'm not wrong. So congratulations on that. Just want to understand, what's the kind of time period that you're looking for? How long do you want to hold it for?
No, just for the quarter.
Oh, just for the quarter. Okay, let me go to Kush then. Kush, your view with Cupid?
Yeah, first, congratulations on buying the stock. I mean, the stock started moving higher from that 55, 57 mark. And for the year, it's already been a multi-bagger. My suggestion would be to book partially 25% of the quantity that he's holding and then continue holding on to the rest. And if and when the stock does decline, use a trailing stop loss strategy and keep booking your profits. To his question, whether he should add more, not really, because you see this across multiple time frames. While the momentum is very high, the stock has gone into overheated territories. Any kind of a profit booking rally could actually bring the stock lower quite sharply. So rather than adding more, my suggestion would be to book partially and then hold the rest and use the trailing stop loss strategy as I just discussed.